Yep. Interestingly, this is the back of the hood. I don't know why it's turning orange. None of the other stuff has. Who knows? But I'll be scraping this off here in just a few minutes. And I don't know why it's orange. I don't know. I don't know. And there's the hood, stripped. Well, mostly. I'm going to let this dry out, and tomorrow morning I'll get up at a decent hour. Usually means 6 for me on a Saturday. And I will finish this off. I found some Bondo on the inside. Alright, all this blue stuff, not the stuff in the center, but this blue stuff here is a thin skip of Bondo. I'll take that off with my brass wheel, and I'll just kind of pan out a little bit. See the whole thing. All that blue stuff is Bondo from days of yesteryear. And it's real thin too, so I'm not too awfully worried about evening out what's there and redoing that. Again, I don't have any hurt feelings if someone doesn't like Bondo. It's my car, you know what I'm saying? But I've never had problems with Bondo in the beginning. You know, you get a damage or you get a ding or whatever. I know these major restoration shops will apply heat and cold and slight hammer bends and on to make this a perfect thing, but I'm not going to do that. And I'm going to just, like I say, remove the old stuff and see how it looks, and then put new stuff on and then go from there. So I think I'm going to be done for the day. I'm going to let this kind of dry out a little bit and pick it back up tomorrow morning. God, is my back sore. The frickin' hood is done. This goddamn thing has taken me probably 4 hours to do. To flapper disc and wire wheel and God, I'm sore everywhere. And I didn't get everything. You can see that there's a little bit of a red stuff there. There's some stuff in there. I'm gonna have a hood liner anyway, so I'm not too awfully worried about it. I don't know, maybe I'll give up for the night and just work on it some more tomorrow, but God, I marvel at how light that is. There is the hood. And what looks like discolorations are discolorations, I guess. I mean, it's not paint or any leftover stuff. So where it's really nice and shiny, it looks pink in my screen, but where it's not nice and shiny, where it's a little bit scratched up, these are the areas where the Bondo was. So there's a dip there, Waviness is all over in this area here. Big spot there. Yeah, right there. Wow, this whole area has a good spot. Dip in it. I feel like I'm groping my MG's, oh, never mind. So what I'm going to do next, I'll do it tonight, I think. On the back where I've got the steel pieces, I'm going to etch prime just the support braces, just so it doesn't flash rust like I did with the hood. I mean the the other one. That one trunk. The hood release mechanism latch thing. What the hell did I put that? Oh crap. Here somewhere. It was here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's not it. But this is it. So I'll de-rustify these washers or just use new ones. A little bit of work in there to do, but I've also polished up my my exhaust manifold. I'm giving that to Dick Moritz, my engine builder, and there's my so cute, my distributor. So that's it for the night. I think I'm going to post this video and then wash myself. I'm filthy again, and I stink. Yeah, so there we go.